Hello students, today our topic is preparation of childbirth and parenthood. Preparation of childbirth. The delivery or process of giving the birth to a child is called childbirth. Preparation for childbirth is an educational approach to labor and delivery in which the parents are specially prepared for the event. Preparing a woman and her father for childbirth, including building women's confidence in their ability to labor and give birth. Much of the preparation for labor and birth happens quite naturally as pregnancy processes. So the aim for the mother to awake and cooperate and for the father to assume an active and sportive role during the birth of their child. Facts related to the healthy preparation. There are so many factors that affect the birth of the healthy baby, like smoking. If the pregnant woman is habitual for cigarette smoke, the cigarette smoking cuts down the oxygen to the unborn baby and exposes the baby to the cocktail of chemicals, including chemicals that cause cancer. Some of many damaging effects of cigarette smoke on the fetus include reduced oxygen supply due to the carbon monoxide and nicotine. Then diet. Poor diet during the pregnancy may have long-term impact on the child's health. Mothers who eat an unhealthy diet during the pregnancy may be putting their children at risk of developing long-term irreversible health issues including obesity, raised level of cholesterol and blood sugar. All these findings are according to the new research. Exercise. Exercise also will help to get ready for the labor. So when the time comes, the body of the woman will be just prepared. Exercises are the good source for the healthy preparation of the healthy child. Next is inter-pregnancy interval. Healthy timing and spacing of pregnancy is an approach to family planning that helps women and families delay, space or limit their pregnancies to achieve the healthiest outcomes for the women, newborns, infants and children. Women should delay their first pregnancy until at least the age of 18. There are some medical problems also. Those can complicate the pregnancy. Some common complications of pregnancy include high blood pressure, gestational diabetes, infections, preeclampsia, preterm labor, etc. Childbirth classes also affect the birthing process of the childbirth. Pregnant women often attend prenatal educational classes to decide on their childbirth choices, learn about different situations during the labor, pain relief methods, infant care, postnatal care, breastfeeding and parenting also. Preparation of parenthood. Caring for raising a child or children is known as parenthood. It means preparing for the transition to the parenthood includes changes in life roles and taking steps to manage such changes. New and expected parents and others can prepare for the childhood by considering skills, tasks, experiences and resources that can assist in becoming a parent. Goals of parenthood. There are three main goals: survival, economic and self-actualization. The aim to improve the quality of life of the individuals by providing and campaigning for sexual and the reproductive health and rights through advocacy and services, especially for the poor and the vulnerable people. Parents can also use Medicaid for the preventive services at no cost when they visit to the Planned Parenthood health centers. Parental factors affecting the transition of the parenthood. Pregnancy and transition to parenthood is a major developmental period with important implications for the parents, for the infant-parent relationship, and for the infant's development also. Physical factors. There are challenges to the parent's physical health, recovery from the pregnancy and delivery, the adjustment to the breastfeeding, disturbed nutrition, fatigue, and insufficient sleep. Psychological factors. The psychological work of pregnancy. The first trimester, adjusting to the idea of pregnancy. The third trimester, preparing for the arrival. Labor and birth. Attachment issues in the transition to the motherhood. There will be so many psychological conditions that may cause stress or depression in the mother or the parents both. There are so many financial conditions that may affect the transition to the parenthood, and father involvement also have impact on the transition towards the parenthood. Steps for the good parenthood. First one is healthy lifestyle. Parents should adopt the healthy lifestyle, do exercise daily, and they should involve a healthy diet in their daily routine. Exercise also best for both. Then follow up is necessary to find out any type of complication in joint parenthood with the children and with the family. Summarization. In the topic preparation of childbirth and parenthood, we have covered the definitions of both, factors related to the healthy preparation, preparation of parenthood, goals for the motherhood, and then steps. Students, if you have any question, then please ask me. I will provide you notes of this topic in the form of document. Okay, thank you.